Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to my shop. In this video I'm going to show you about this Forrest table saw blade. This is a 40-tooth General Purpose, and a little bit of information about unwrapping this and putting it to use. Basically, I searched YouTube to see if there's any other videos out there that may give like an unpacking or unboxing video about this particular saw blade, because when I got this and unwrapped it, I was kind of surprised by how it's wrapped and how it's protected. So that's what I'm going to show you. Alright, so I got this Forrest blade here. I bought it from Rockler online. They had a Founders Day sale, 20 bucks off, plus being $39 or more, got free shipping. So got a fairly good deal. I couldn't pass this one up to finally upgrade my saw to a Forrest blade, since they're supposed to be so grand. So I thought I'd try it out. Anyways, it arrived in this box here and seemed to be in good shape, and comes in this package here with all this information. It's even got a signature of Jim Forrest on there and a serial number to the blade, which is also on the blade itself. And on the other side it's got some more information about different types of blades and so forth that they have, and some safety precautions and use and stuff. Also, this came with a 4-page set of instructions on how to mount it, how to line up your saw blade with the table and your miter slots and so forth, and how to use it. So, good thing to read through, make sure you understand it, and you get the correct use out of it. So, now what surprised me is that how well packaged this came. This blade came in this envelope here, which you can also reuse for shipping back to them for sharpening. It was wrapped in a cellophane here, and I presume this is probably made for machinery. Probably not some cellophane they went out and bought at Walmart just for wrapping this up. Also, the teeth were wrapped up in this plastic here, which is much like what you get on your router bits. It's a protective plastic to keep them sharp and from getting damaged. So that's a great deal. And when I got this out of the package here, I felt how sharp this was. I mean, this sucker is really sharp. It's like a bunch of razor blades around this thing. So you got to be careful with this and how you handle it. And yeah, maybe clean the blood off my hands here a little bit and get back to this. And you know, another thing to do is when you're storing your blades is always to protect them, especially a blade like this. And what I've done in the past is I've protected my blades with using some of this plastic that usually is used for insulating wiring and so forth. But it works on, you know, saw blades here pretty well. It's got a slot in it and you can wrap it on there and holds pretty good. Now what I found out is that, you know, it comes in a package like this. You can buy it at Lowe's or Home Depot. It's got the split in it so you can slip things in there. And what I would do is measure out a length. I found the length that works for me, for a 10-inch blade anyway, is 30 5/8 inch for a 10-inch blade. So that's what I cut these up to, and I've done this for a few blades that I protect and use intermittently depending on the type of cutting I'm doing. So also I purchased a blade stabilizer for this Forrest blade, and the instructions are this is only one-sided. You only put this on the outer side of the arbor. If you put it on the inside, then you're going to offset the blade a little bit so that it won't be true to cut as what you're expecting to be. So that's pretty much it. How this comes packaged, and I didn't see anybody else do any videos on this, and I thought it might be a good idea to let people know what to expect, because I certainly wasn't expecting this to be packaged like this and also to be so sharp. Wow. So we'll see how this performs the way everybody claims it to be. It's supposed to be like magic. Well, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it and you got something out of it, got some inspiration, and know how to open up one of these Forrest saw blades and put it to use. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit that thumbs up icon, and also share it with your family, friends, and fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Also, please subscribe and be sure to hit that bell icon so you won't miss anything. And give us your comments. I'd love to hear what you think, what your questions are, and what suggestions you may have. So, thank you.